Morning, everyone. Today we're going to talk about area of circles and sectors. So this should be somewhat similar to what we've done in Chapter 10, where we use pi, radius, and diameter, and those types of things. So first we're going to look at area of circles, and then we'll find areas of sectors of circles. So just kind of a brief reminder, the circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. So we refer to circumference, circumference C equals 2 pi r, or we can use pi times diameter. Either of those work for circumference, just kind of dependent on whether you're given a diameter or a radius. Okay. So for area of a circle, find the area of a circle. Area A equals pi times whatever the radius is squared. A equals pi r squared. And so if we use this here, area of a circle, what is the area of the circular putting green shown to the nearest square foot? So here we have that the diameter is, given the diameter that's 20 feet, so we need radius to use our A equals pi r squared formula. So the radius again is half the diameter, so radius here is 10 half a point. And so if we're plugging in here, A equals pi times the radius 10 squared. 10 squared, of course, is 100, so this is 100 times pi. Use your calculator there. Use your pi button. Just 3.14159. And you get that area is to the nearest square foot, 314 feet squared. All right. So that's area of a circle. And you have to have radius to find the area of a circle. We can kind of go like we have been in previous sections here in this chapter. You can kind of go the other direction, given area, to find a different measure. So find the radius of a circle with an area of 95 square centimeters. So again, this is all about using A equals pi r squared. Now, of course, we want to solve for r. We want to find the radius. So we just use that 95 is equal to pi times radius squared. Divide by pi. And you can just choose your calculators on these. 95 divided by pi. 30.239. So let's use 30.24 equals radius squared. Of course, to get r by itself, square root both sides. So the square root of 30.24 is 5.499. Let's just say 5. Let's write it down. 5 centimeters. All right. This next one's kind of interesting because the area of the circle is 196 pi square yards. Find the diameter. So here we're not looking for diameter, or here we're not looking for radius, excuse me. We're looking for diameter. But if we find the radius, pretty easily we can, radius is 1/2 the diameter. We'd be able to find diameter pretty easily there. So again, let's find radius. So let's use 196 pi. That is the area equals pi times radius squared. So this one's interesting because when you divide by pi, the pi's cancel both sides. So you have 196 equals r squared. Square root both sides. So the square root of 196, 14. Is equal to the radius. Okay. We were again asked for the diameter, so diameter is just 2 times the radius, so 28, and the answer yards. Our answer diameter is 28 yards. Okay. Next, we're going to look at sectors. So kind of similar to arc length, how it's a portion of the circumference. Sector is a portion of the area. All right, that's kind of defined by x being the measure of the central angle, right? That area of the circle. So more often I'm going to use the equation here, A equals, and I'll give you guys this equation, area equals x, the measure of the central angle, divided by 360 times pi r squared. It's that part of the entire area. So a circular pizza has a diameter of 12 inches and is cut into 8 congruent slices. What is the area of one slice to the nearest hundredth? So we've got a pizza here, it's cut into 8 slices. And we want to find 8 congruent slices. So we want to find the area of one of those slices. So if these are 8 congruent slices, well, of course, there's 360 degrees around the circle. So if we divide by 8, that would give us that each slice has a 45-degree central angle. So in using our formula, A equals x, well, the measure of our central angle of the slice would be 45 over 360 times pi times our diameter is 12, our radius is 6 inches. So pi times radius 6 squared. So 45 over 360 times pi times 6 squared is 36. 14.137. So the nearest hundredth, that's 2 decimal places. So 14.137. We will round 14.14 inches squared. Right? Taking a look here, radius is 11. The measure of, well, actually, I think they want us to find the measure of shaded region. So the measure of that central angle, which would be 360 minus 65, so 295. So the measure of that central angle is going to be 295 degrees. So again, you just plug into the formula, x being 295 over 360 times pi 11 squared. Right? So you plug that all into your calculator, 295 divided by 360 times pi times 11 squared, 1.1. You would get area equals 311.497. So to the nearest hundredth, this would round up to 5. So that area is 311.50 inches squared. All right. So your homework's 8 through 22 evens. Thanks for watching.